train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on again. Old train, I've been everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Old train, it's time to pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear your rusty wheels grate against the rail, they cry with every mile. I think I'll stay a while. Old train, each time you pass, you're older than the last, and it seems I'm too old for running.
Hi, my name's Barry Hensel, and I'm the chairman of this year's North Central Region Convention, the North Central Express 2010. Myself and the members of our planning team wish to extend to you this personal invitation to attend what will be a great model railroading weekend. Our event dates are Thursday through Sunday, October 21st through the 24th, 2010. Our event site is right in the heart of Division 6, your hosts, in Livonia, Michigan. Our hotel is the Marriott at Laurel Park Place, right off of I-275 and 6 Mile Road. You can go to our website and actually pre-register online using your credit card. How convenient is that? We are the first division to do this in our region. And while I'm talking website, which is www.division6-ncr-nmra.com, I believe you will find ours exciting, helpful, and very informative concerning our convention. Let me also tell you about our great keynote speaker, Mr. Jack Ellis of Bar Mills Models. Jack will give us a few clinics and talk at our awards convention wrap-up breakfast on Sunday morning. Our breakfast is an all-you-can-eat pancake breakfast that also includes bacon, fresh fruit, and beverage, all at a great deal of only $12 a person. By having Sunday morning breakfast, we give you more model railroading time all day and night on Saturday.
Good evening, this is Howard Andrews, Clinic Chairman for NCX. The layout tours are probably the main event for our convention. Let's take a look at some of the great layouts that will be open for tours and some that will be open for operating sessions. We have had 45 layouts considered for the convention, and currently 30 are registered and ready to go.
Hi, my name is Ron King. I model Erie 1953 in HL scale.
Hi, I'm Tom Lenzen. Welcome to the O-Scale Ypsilanti branch.
Hi, I'm Marty LaForte. Welcome to my Burlington Northern Spartan Division. It's an HO railroad.
Hi, my name is Dick Harden, and welcome to the Chicago and Northwestern Peninsula Division in HO scale.
I'm Don Barron, and I welcome you to the Southern Pacific California Railway System in HO.
Hello, I'm Walt Plunus. Welcome to the Pennsylvania Railroad, White Lake Division in HO scale.
Hi, I'm Larry Wright. This is the Beaver Valley in Pennsylvania HO scale. It's based on the Maryland and Pennsylvania, but we moved it from one side of Pennsylvania to the other.
I'm Ken Schick, and this is the Danforth Padlea Northern, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Northern Pacific Railroad in the Mountain District of Montana in 1954. It's a N-scale railroad, fairly large, designed for operation of long trains through 10 different towns. I hope you enjoy your visit.
Hi, my name's Jim Tilley. I'd like to welcome you to the P1A division of the Pennsylvania and B&O Railroads in HO scale.
Hello, my name is Scott Kramer. Welcome to my layout. This is the Great Northern Railroad in the state of Washington over Stevens Pass in the Cascade Mountains. This HO scale layout encompasses approximately 1,100 square feet. We run steam, diesel, and heavy electrics under catenary. Most of the scenery is complete and most of the structures are scratch built. For those of you who've been here in the past, I welcome you back as there have been significant changes to the layout, including an expansion of about 125 square feet.
Hi again. Lastly, let me hit on some registration highlights. As I've mentioned, you can pre-register online using your credit card. Just go to our website, follow the pages, and fill in the blanks. Yes, you can still fill out an application flyer and mail it in with a check or money order. We'll certainly accept that too. Either way you register, please do so before October 1st, as the price goes up after that. You will see we have a special registration called the Day Pass. This is just as the name implies. For a reduced rate, we are inviting the model railroader newbie to our event. You can attend clinics on Saturday morning, and we provide them with a special booklet of up to 6 layouts to visit. These layouts are picked by us and include different scales, types of layouts, finished and under construction, giving the new modeler a great look at all aspects of our hobby. We hope to see you in October for the North Central Express.
Oh train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on again. Oh train, I've been everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Oh train, it's time to pass your old time to last, and it seems I'm too old for running.